Welcome to Product Recommendation Quiz. Before you start collecting leads and generating sales, here is a quick guide to finding your way around the app. When you log in to the Product Recommendation Quiz, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. This is where you can find all the quizzes that you create. On the right, you can see the Success Checklist. It shows the progress you've made in building your quiz. Click on Add New Quiz to create a new project. You can start from scratch or use one of our pre-designed templates to get started. This is where you'll create your quiz. Choose a question type by clicking on the plus sign and edit it. Once you've added your questions, you can drag and drop to move them around. To change question settings, click on the little wrench icon. Here, you can change things like making the question optional or allowing multiple answers. This is where you can customize your quiz design. In the Theme Gallery, you'll see some pre-made themes that you can choose from. Or create your own design by clicking Edit in the top menu. Edit the font, change the text colors, or add a background image. You can even add custom CSS code to make the quiz match your store's look and feel. All the changes you make will be saved automatically. Once you're happy with the design, you can add products and collections to each question. Product Recommendation Quiz works like a voting system. Products are linked to each choice. When a customer picks that choice, all linked products receive one vote. After the customer takes the quiz, the results page will show the products sorted by the number of votes. Speaking of results, make sure to also edit the results page. Here, you can write insightful information for the customer. Select how many products will be recommended, or even group your products into slots to recommend a whole package. Now you can publish the quiz on your website. Hit the Publish button in the top right-hand corner to see all of the publishing options. You can embed a link to the quiz in your website's menu. Add a Take the Quiz button. Place the quiz in line with your page content, or make it an automatic pop-up for your store's visitors. The choice is yours. If you want to do more with your Product Recommendation Quiz, try integrating it with other tools. The Connect section lets you see all our integrations. To set this up, select a platform and click Connect. The Metrics panel is where you'll be able to analyze quiz responses. Scroll down to see a general overview of your results, like how many people viewed your quiz, how many people started it, and the number of responses. The Responses tab lets you dive deeper into individual respondents to see how they answered each question. You can download all responses to a CSV file by clicking here. That's a Product Recommendation Quiz app. Check out our FAQ section for more resources on getting started with recommendation quizzes.